Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best CAT converter cleaner is probably one of the most important purchases you will make for your vehicle's health, as a clogged catalytic converter can lead to decreased fuel efficiency, engine damage, and costly repairs. This video will guide you through the top-rated catalytic converter cleaners available on the market today, helping you choose the best one for your specific needs and budget, ensuring optimal performance and longevity of your vehicle's emission system. Number 5. Cataclean 120007 Engine Cleaner. This powerful cleaner revitalizes your engine's performance. It's designed for a wide range of vehicles, improving fuel efficiency and reducing emissions. It significantly lowers your vehicle's hydrocarbon emissions. This is better for the environment and your wallet. It tackles carbon buildup in key engine components. This leads to noticeable improvements in your gas mileage. Experience smoother driving. It addresses issues like hesitation, rough idling, and hard starts, restoring your vehicle's power. It's safe for gasoline, diesel, hybrid, and flex fuel vehicles. It won't alter your fuel or harm your engine. Remember, it's not suitable for two-stroke engines or those using an oil-gas mixture. Always check your owner's manual. What we like. It significantly reduces emissions and improves fuel efficiency. If you're looking to boost your vehicle's performance and save on fuel, this is a great option. It's suitable for various vehicle types, making it a versatile choice for many drivers. What people say. After refilled the gas tank, I deleted the CL but it back on again after 50 miles, I deleted again then it back after 100 miles. Gave up and even want to buy all parts, O2 sensors and catalyst converter. But finally it works after 150 miles, code P0420 are gone and CL never back on. My old 1999 Solara was giving a code for my catalytic converter. I put in tank and drove on highway at higher speed and stopped at store in next city. When I drove back the light turned off and no problems at all. The Cataclean petrol fuel and exhaust cleaner has proven to be a game changer for my vehicle's performance and fuel efficiency. This powerful fuel additive is formulated to clean not only the fuel system but also the catalytic converter, valves, and injectors, resulting in improved engine efficiency and reduced emissions. Number 4. Dura Lube Severe Catalytic Cleaner. It enhances your vehicle's fuel system and engine performance. Just add it anytime for a noticeable improvement. Consider using it before replacing your catalytic converter. It could save you money and extend its life. It protects your catalytic system from harmful oil buildup, keeping it running efficiently. This helps maintain peak performance. It actively reduces phosphorus and zinc retention levels at the catalyst inlet. This is key to long-term performance. It can help increase your fuel economy. It's a universal fit, working on all engine types. Simply add it to your fuel tank for a quick and easy way to improve your vehicle's performance and fuel efficiency. What we like. This product helps protect your catalytic converter and can even help you avoid a costly replacement. If you want to safeguard your exhaust system and improve fuel efficiency, this is the one for you. It's a universal fit, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicles. What people say. I'm no longer getting any codes. Whatever was causing the other codes besides the P0420, it resolved those problems as well. I was getting the P0300 misfire codes on steep hills unless I downshifted. Now it takes them like a champ. After 200 miles or so, no more engine light. I write this review a few months later, at 140k miles, and the engine light is still off for now. After 100 miles of driving, the check engine light went away on its own and stayed that way till the end of the tank. Unfortunately, upon refilling the tank with new gas, the engine light came back pretty soon, but the fact that it worked once gave me some hope. Number 3. Cataclean Fuel Exhaust Treatment. Cataclean is an EPA-approved fuel and exhaust system cleaner. It's easy to use, just pour it in and go. Simply pop the top and pour it into your gas tank every 3 months. No cap makes it easy for all gas tanks. It features our original long-nose bottle, designed for easy access to your gas tank. No need for special funnels or adapters. It's safe for gasoline, diesel, and hybrid engines. It won't alter your fuel composition. It helps restore your catalytic converter, oxygen sensors, fuel injectors, and cylinder heads, keeping your engine running smoothly. Rest assured, it's an EPA-approved formula, so you can use it with confidence, knowing it's safe for your vehicle and the environment. What we like. It's EPA-approved and incredibly easy to use, just pour and go. If you value convenience and safety, and want a product that works well with various engine types, this is a perfect choice. It's a reliable option for maintaining your vehicle's exhaust system. What people say. After using Cataclean as directed, I noticed a significant improvement in my vehicle's performance. It ran smoother, with a noticeable increase in power and responsiveness. The sluggishness I had been experiencing was completely eliminated, and I could feel the engine running more efficiently. One of the standout features of Cataclean is its ability to clean and unclog fuel injectors and other vital engine components. This proved to be true in my case, as the product effectively removed carbon deposits and other contaminants from my engine. This resulted in smoother operation and a reduction in engine codes and check engine light occurrences. Check engine light came on and got the dreaded code that it was the catalytic converter and figured either $2,000 to fix or time for a new car if I didn't want to invest in my old car. Dumped one bottle in and drove regular driving about 30 miles. Continued driving over the next few days about 150 miles and then the light went out and has been out for the last 1,000 miles. Long story short, it definitely worked for me, and if your catalytic converter is just dirty it will clean it. I passed inspection and car is running great. Number 2. OXICAT Engine Cleaner. This is OXICAT, the preventative maintenance solution for your vehicle's exhaust system. It's safe for both gasoline and diesel engines and is designed to keep your engine running smoothly. It's engineered to thoroughly clean your catalytic converter, oxygen sensor, and turbocharger. Regular use ensures optimal performance and longevity. It's activated by the heat of your catalytic converter, making it simple and effective. No special tools or procedures are required. OXICAT is trusted by professionals and is now available in North America. It's a proven, effective solution for maintaining a healthy exhaust system. It's made in Germany and carries the TÜV certification, guaranteeing its quality and safety. You can trust in its superior performance. It's safe and effective for all petrol and diesel vehicles. Give your vehicle the care it deserves. What we like. This cleaner is safe and effective for all petrol and diesel vehicles. If you prioritize a thorough clean of your entire exhaust system and want a product with a proven track record, this is the one. Its TÜV certification ensures quality and reliability. What people say. After the CL came on and I attached the code reader. It said that the 420 or Bank 2 catalytic converter was not up to standard. Checked O2 sensors and they were reading fine. I placed the order and it came quicker than it was supposed to. When the tank was 7/8 empty, I put a can in the tank of my 2003 Toyota Corolla LE, which was 1 week after it threw the CL on, at the same time as I pulled in to fill up the car. Took it for a drive on the freeway, and after 129 miles parked it. My wife took the car that evening to the grocery store and said that the light had gone off. It has been over 3 months now and still running fine, with no new CL lights coming on. Car still performing great. Emissions found no issues. Passed all of them. Obstructed catalytic converter caused engine light to activate. Bought 3 cans. Within 250 to 300 miles light went out. After about 1,200 miles light was back on. Ran fuel to half tank, then put in 1 can and the third next time I refueled. 2,800 miles later still working dash, no light, improved mileage. The check engine light kept coming on in my 2010 Subaru Forester, indicating a catalytic converter problem. 1 can of OXICAT added to a full tank of fuel and run until almost empty, and the problem seems to be entirely solved. No more check engine light and the car runs better than ever. Number 1. CCC Cleaning Kit. Say hello to CCC, the revolutionary new cleaning solution for your catalytic converter. It's the most effective and affordable way to restore performance and save money. This innovative kit cleans and protects your catalytic converter's material without the need for disassembly. It's incredibly easy to use. Instead of costly replacement, use it to clean your vehicle's catalytic converter. It's a simple and effective solution to a common problem. It can resolve those frustrating P0420 and P0430 error codes, provided the catalyst itself isn't physically damaged. Get back on the road quickly and easily. Choose CCC and experience the difference. It's the smart, cost-effective way to keep your catalytic converter running smoothly. Protect your investment and your wallet. This kit is designed for ease of use. Simply follow the instructions and you'll have a clean and efficient catalytic converter in no time. What we like. It's the most cost-effective way to clean your catalytic converter. If you're on a budget and want an easy solution to clean your catalytic converter and potentially fix error codes, this is the best option. It's a simple, affordable way to maintain your vehicle's exhaust system. What people say. My Sorrento's non-continuous monitoring catalyst monitoring test would run between 1.19 and 1.57, with a limit of 0.9995. I then tried this foam cleaner that immediately dropped the ratio to 0.78. Now the fault codes are staying off and are not reappearing after resetting in 40 minutes of drive time. The chemical doesn't smell like other strong solvents and has a pleasant orange smell. The runoff cleared oil and grime away, so I knew it was working. I let it sit for about 30 minutes, installed the O2 sensor and added the sensor cleaner to the gas tank, then took off for a long drive. There was minimal smoke, and I noticed improved performance. Products were easy to use and did a good job cleaning my DPF filter. Used 2 units to clean it out thoroughly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.